In this video, we will learn about variables in Python. We define variables names for values in our computer's memory. Python variables can contain characters such as lowercase letters A through Z, uppercase letters upper A through uppercase Z, digits 0 through 9, underscore. Also, they must begin with a letter or underscore, not a digit. They cannot be one of Python's reserved word or keywords. We use assignment to assign a value to a variable. For example, if we want to assign value to our variable x, we can use the assignment operator and then assign a value such as 5. We can do another variable and assign it a value of 10. We can also perform mathematical operations such as addition, x plus y, and store the result in a third variable such as z, and then we can print it out. Print the result which is in z. We can run this program. We can save first and then run this program. I will name it var.py and save. And on my terminal I can type Python and then our name of our program var.py. Hit enter. You can see it printed 15. We can also assign a value to more than one variable name, such as here we have two variables, a and then b. Both are assigned value of 20. We can print value of a, then we can print value of b. They both should have 20. We can run the program again. You can see it printed 2020 for both of those variable values. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.